Hey guys, okay, we are having an epic moment today. I'm Chef Marty Mongiello here with assistant chef here. Michelle is cranking out. Show Michelle's, yeah, the emerald cake there. That's a shamrock cake. She's making her grandmother's recipe. What do you got in there, Michelle? What's the green?
The green is pistachio pudding.
Oh my gosh, pistachio pudding. I had some last night. It was so good. Take a look over here at Kathy Whitehouse. This is the new book from Vincent Marti in Ireland. We got this in, the executive chef, for 3 presidents of the United States. And look what we're making right here, Barry. Her famous Dublin cookies. We're starting with 1 1/4 cup of butter. And yes, of course, the butter we're using is Kerrygold, naturally, religiously, okay? And right here, guys, I've got 1 1/4. Let me check that. Yeah, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, she says. So I'm just trying to cream this and get it going. I've got, Michelle did the ground almonds. So it's just 1 cup of ground almonds. I know that shows 2. We're just going to be using 1 cup of that today. Got some fresh eggs here, organic free-range eggs. We have our eggs in the fridge. And we're going to be moving forward with the cinnamon, the nutmeg here, pure vanilla. Thank you, McCormick. And some orange juice. And that's really it. She wants this to be refrigerated. We wanted to get this done early today. She wants this refrigerated to where it stiffens up in the friggy. And I'm going to be moving on to scones. So this is like so exciting to be cooking these recipes. Here we have a lady chef. And we're celebrating a female chef of the White House that no one's ever known about. Catherine Mary Buckley is her name, from Ireland, and just unbelievable. Just unbelievable. So, thanks guys, and good luck. We're going to put this recipe out there for you.